Hey guys, it's Steven. I'm going to show you a simple trade that I do whenever there is news that causes a stock to either fall off, which is the example here, or run higher, which I call a geyser trade, but this is the waterfall trade. Because most people would like to be involved in a news play when you get a fall off like this, but don't know how to enter. This is one idea of how to enter into a trade like this. And again, I call it a waterfall because it looks like a waterfall. Amazon had news regarding an FTC case against them this morning. I did not take this trade because I was otherwise engaged at 9:30 and didn't see this happening. But this is the trade setup that I would have taken if I was paying attention to Amazon this morning. I'm on a 2-minute chart. The waterfall starts. What I do is I switch once I see this happening. Again, this is the kind of trade that happens around earnings, around news announcements quite a bit. It could be an FOMC statement, a Trump tweet. It could be a variety of things that causes this kind of fall off. When this happens and I see this waterfall happening, I switch to a 1-minute chart. I'm going to back it up to here. All right, here's my 1-minute chart. And now what I'm looking for, I'll make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. What I'm looking for is a green bar on the 1-minute chart that finishes above the previous red bar right beside of it. So I start here. I probably would have switched over, around this area. This doesn't close above this red. This green doesn't close above this red. This green doesn't close above this red. This green doesn't close above this red. And I want to be fully above. Again, this is the 1-minute chart. This green doesn't close above this red. This green closes above this red. That's my entry. When the first green closes above the first red, that's where I'm getting into the trade. And my stop is just below the base. So just below here. This is a kind of trade that I don't mind taking a stop and then trying it again if it sets up and I get that green taking red again. Because generally, when this does catch the bottom, I get a decent enough bounce that it makes up for 1 and possibly even 2 stop outs. So I'm entering as the green closes above the red, right at the green top, this candle. That's my stop. As you can see in this trade, it is not hit. It doesn't stop out. Again, I'm on the 1-minute. As the stock, again, this is Amazon. As Amazon starts moving higher, I switch to a 5-minute chart. And my target for the trade is the falling 20 SMA. That's, again, the only thing I have on the chart, the 2 or the 1. I'm not even using it on the 1-minute or the 2-minute, really. My target then is here, where the 20 catches up. At that point, I'm happy to take profit. In this case, it's a little over a point. Oh, let me go back to the 1. Let's see exactly where the entry was. Okay. Entry is at 221. Let's call it 221.90. So entry at 221.90 on the 1-minute. Flip to the 5-minute. and I'm looking for this catches up at 223.37. So it's around a point and a half. So I'm looking for, at a minimum, about a point and a half off of this trade in this case, because that's where the 5 is. If it looks higher, like it does here, where there is a 1, 2, 3 forming, right? You've got basically a 1, 2, 3. It's forming at the 20. It's clearing this resistance here. So maybe I get a little more again. I wasn't paying attention to Amazon this morning, didn't see this, but maybe I get a little more, another half a point out of it. But that's the trade. That's the waterfall trade for me. Look for the waterfall, see it on the 2-minute, switch to the 1-minute, buy when green takes red and closes above red, switch to the 5-minute, look for the 20 simple moving average, and that's where I'm looking to take profit. Again, a simple trade. When you get news, again, this often happens in a news play, and it's a way to get into a play like this without guessing where I think the stock is going to stop or should stop. Clearly defined rules, clearly defined stop, clearly defined target. So that's it. That's the waterfall trade. If you like this video, please comment below. If you have any questions, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll keep doing simple trade setups that are easy to apply without a million indicators. Thanks for watching.